Old School Balisong remix. This unboxing is very unexpected. It's from a gentleman named Jeff. I cannot really pronounce his Instagram handle, so I'll just add him to the description as I cut my freaking hand off with this remix. Okay, now I am uber excited about this one. I say that a lot, I know, but this one I've actually been after for a long, long time. And he taped it to the inside of the box, so there we go. Way to go, Jeff. This has been in the safe, and from what he tells me, it is like brand new mint. And what it says is what's in the box. Now this one is the curcury blade, and he actually didn't like the curcury blade. Oh, he gave me a gift. Thank you, Jeff, you're so cool. I actually had one of these credit card knives and I lost it. Thanks, Jeff. Man, this community just impresses the hell out of me every time. We got the sheath. Card. Okay, here we go, folks. I may cry about this one. Holy shit. Sorry about the language. This is number 6 of 20. Can you see that? Oh, this is a long unboxing. I'll have to edit it down. Wow, he wasn't kidding. This is minty as... I've never held one of these. Never. I've been after one. He said the Bowie one flipped better. I can't really imagine that. But I've been after this exact knife for I don't know how long. I keep finding them with all the fancy schmancy handle, the work done there, anodized, and this, that, and the other thing. I just wanted, well, you know me, the classic old school look. Wow, Jeff. Wow. Thank you so much. Old School Balisong.